Bad habits. We all have them, and we know that what they are. You know that you should stop them, and they should stop irritating you. But I know it's really hard. So, if you are on an autopilot mode for just half of the day of yourself, then I just want that those routines should be the good ones. So, what really works for ditching the bad habits? And isn't it horribly difficult? So, assigning these questions, let's get towards some of the secret points to know the answers of these questions. So, starting with point number 1 is to choose the substitute for your bad habits. Yes, you need to have a plan ahead for how to respond when you will face some problem or stress. Just like what you will do when you have to urge into smoke. Yes, you will start breathing, start exercising day by day. So you need to have a plan for what you will do when you will urge in some problem, and replacing that alternative with the bad habits. The second magical point is that right now your environment make your bad habits easier and good habits harder. So just change your environment so that you can change the outcome. As simple. Now the third one is just surround yourself with the people who live the way who want to live like. You don't need to ditch your old friends, but just don't underestimate the power of finding some new friends. And the last but not the least is where to go from here. So if you are looking for the first step to break the bad habits, I suggest to start with awareness. Yes, awareness, because it's awareness only that will show you that how to actually make the changes in your outcomes. So now, hopefully, just break your bad habits with the good ones.